Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made these fuzzy pumpkins using all Dollar Tree items. And for my Amazon deal lovers, I'm going to upload another video later on today. I did find two really cool items. It's an electric pencil sharpener and a vinyl holder that can hold up like 60 rolls of vinyl. I think the sharpener was like $6 and the vinyl holder was like 7 something. But I do have a Facebook group for the Amazon daily deals and my YouTube, my second YouTube channel. I'll put the link down in the description for those two, but later on I'll upload that video for you guys. But let's get on with the video. To make these pumpkins, you're going to take any type of yarn you have. I'm just going to use this fuzzy one because my goal here is to have like a fuzzy pumpkin. And I'm going to take this. It makes the buns in there. I'm going to call it bun maker. So for the rest of the video, it's a bun maker. And I got that from Dollar Tree. And the yarn as well, I picked that up from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start off with a little dab of glue in the center. And I'm just going to basically wrap the entire thing with yarn. Of course, you can use any color and type of yarn. This project was so easy and so fun to make. You definitely have to try it. First, I'm going to start off with one long piece of yarn and I'm just going to cut that down. And later on, if I do end up needing more, I could always go in again with the glue gun, add a dab of glue and start continuing on, I guess, if that makes sense. Just add more yarn if you need to. But I'm going to start off with this much for now, and then we'll see if we need more. And yes, that's my mom's hand. She's a genius, I tell ya. She wrapped the rest of the yarn. She said it's much faster and easier for you to wrap the remaining part of the yarn so that way you can put it through the bun maker. And I think, you guys, if you can't find the bun maker, I know there's another name for it, but I'm calling it the bun maker. It's the one for the hair where it makes a bun. I guess you put your ponytail through it and you create a bun. But if you can't find that, I'm pretty sure you can make this also using a pool noodle and you can kind of trim it down to this shape. So if you can't find this, you can definitely pull it off with a pool noodle. Now I'm just going to wrap the entire thing with the yarn, and before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload videos like this one. And once you're done wrapping it, you should have fuzzy donuts that look just like this. Now I have these table scatters. I believe I got them from 99-cent store, but any leaf or any decoration will literally work on this. So they're these acrylic table scatters. I went ahead and got 2 of the leaves that are in there, and I got these wooden stems from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I placed the wooden stems in the center of these donuts and just applying hot glue on the bottom of it and placing it in the center. And I'm also going to use hot glue to glue on the leaf. And here they are. I think they turned out super cute. You have to give this project a try. It was so easy and I feel like it gives a pop to the decoration. So definitely give it a try. It only costs a few dollars and yeah, they're so cute. I love how fuzzy they are, but definitely you can use any yarn that you'd like. And let me know down in the comments what you think. You know, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.